Bitcoin cash value equivalent to $506.41 a coin. The present exchange cost range $504.64, $518.88. The earlier day close $515.53. The change was 912, 177%. Converse rate ICE to BCH. ICE to BCH expectation for April 2024. Before all else costed 167 coins. Excessive costs until 25, while lows 139. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 178. The ICE to BCH figure toward the month's ends on 181. Change for April 84%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for May 2024. To start with cost at zone 181 coins. Exorbitant cost earned to 180, while lows opened at 57. The found the middle value of costs 0.997. The ICE to BCH gauge toward the month's end 0.69. Change for May 6%. ICE to BCH expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at zone 169 coins. Exorbitant costs on 169, while lows open at 36. The found the middle value of costs 155. The ICE to BCH estimate toward the month's end on 45. Change for June 14.2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at 145 coins. Exorbitant costs 145, while lows on 117. The found the middle value of costs 133. The ICE to BCH estimate toward the month's ends on 125. Change for July 13.8%. ICE to BCH expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at 125 coins. Exorbitant costs 149, while lows are reading 25. The found the middle value of costs 135. The ICE to BCH gauge toward the month's ends 139. Change for August 11.2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at 139 coins. Exorbitant costs 139, while lows on 112. The found the middle value of cost on 28. The ICE to BCH gauge toward the month's ends on 120. Change for September 13.7%. ICE to BCH expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at 120 coins. Excessive costs on 126, while lows on 109. The arrived at the midpoint of costs on 18. The ICE to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 17. Change for October 5%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture for November 2024. Before all else cost at 117 coins. Excessive costs on 120, while lows of 104. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 113. The ICE to BCH conjecture toward the month's ends on 112. Change for November 3%. ICE to BCH expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at 12 coins. Excessive cost to 112, while lows 93. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 104. The ICE to BCH figure toward the month's end 99. Change for December 6%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for January 2025. In the first place cost at 0.99 coins. Exorbitant costs on 103, while lows on 89. The found the middle value of cost on 97. The ICE to BCH gauge toward the month's end 95. Change for January 40%. ICE to BCH expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at 0.95 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.99, while lows on 86. The found the middle value of cost on 93. The ICE to BCH gauge toward the month's end 92. Change for February 2%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 0.92 coins. Excessive costs 0.92, while lows on 74. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 84. The ICE to BCH figure toward the month's end 79. Change for spring 1%. ICE to BCH expectation for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.79 coins. Exorbitant cost in 84, while lows on 73. The found the middle value of cost 79. The ICE to BCH estimate toward the month's end 78. Change for April 3%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash estimate for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.78 coins. Exorbitant costs 83, while lows on 72. They found the middle value of cost 0.78. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end Zen 77, change for May 13%. US to BCH expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.77 coins. Exorbitant cost on 82, while lows are 71. They found the middle value of cost 77. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 76, change for June 13%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for July 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.76 coins. Exorbitant cost on 82, while lows are 71. They found the middle value of cost 76. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 76, change for July's 1%. US to BCH expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at 0.76 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.76, while lows are 61. They found the middle value of cost 0.70. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's NZ 65, change for August 14.5%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for September 2025. Initially cost at 0.65 coins. Excessive cost Zen 83, while lows on 65. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 73. The US to BCH figure toward the month's NZ 77, change for September 18.5%. US to BCH expectation for October 2025. In the first place cost at 0.77 coins. Exorbitant cost N84, while lows on 73. They found the middle value of cost 78. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's NZ 78, change for October 13%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash gauge for November 2025. In the first place cost at 0.78 coins. Exorbitant costs on 88, while lows on 76. They found the middle value of cost on 81. The US to BCH gauge toward the month's NZ 82, change for November 1%. US to BCH expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at 0.82 coins. Excessive costs 84, while lows are 73. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 79. The US to BCH figure toward the month's NZ 78, change for December 9%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash figure for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.78 coins. Exorbitant cost 100, while lows on 78. They found the middle value of cost on 87. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 0.93, change for January 19.2%. US to BCH expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.93 coins. Exorbitant cost 93, while lows on 75. They found the middle value of cost on 85. The US to BCH estimate toward the month's end 80, change for February 14%. Dollar to Bitcoin cash conjecture